Baby, I thank God for you. Where'd you come from? Is this even possible? You got me feeling so strong. I'm so in love. Never had the chance to feel this before. You're perfect. You make it.
It's Jalen with a video. First video I'm doing on our couple channel. It's about to be a mukbang of how we first met.
I'm playing for he backhands you. Come on, babe.
Who you rushing?
Come on, bitch.
There we go.
And when somebody texts you, ooh, Jalen, look what Jalen eating, y'all.
I think I can show them myself. I got two hands for a reason. But how we meet?
How do we meet? It's like, nah, we met a long time ago.
All right. So how we meet then?
We met at daycare.
What daycare?
North Star. We went to daycare together. We had a house fire. So then, after that, I had moved with my dad.
And we forgot about each other.
Yes. So then, yes, when high school came,
I got to 10th grade, she got to 11. We met each other in the halls.
no, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
No, we didn't. So the first day of school, I walked up to the bus stop and I seen him walk up there and I was like, dang, he looked good. Yes, I was thinking that in my head.
All right, so we went that far back. Let me go far back then. Started watching her snap or whatever. Then I was like, who is this?
You knew who I
Because she was I just didn't remember you for a minute. So then we got to school. Christmas break is when we really started talking.
But like before that, we were like seeing each other and we used to just like look at each other and just start laughing.
Yeah.
But I was flirting with him. Like I wanted him for real. Even though, you know.
Yeah, she was still in.
But I was like flirting with him because he would just look good. So
You're right.
so then
we started talking.
No, I was like, no.
And we started asking each other for hugs before we went to class. We used to walk each other to class, stuff like that.
Yeah, I used to just be like, can I get a hug? No, the first day we gave each other a hug was when you had them green glasses on.
Yeah, and you kept on trying to wear them.
Yeah.
It wasn't happening.
So like, he would not let me touch him at all, and I was like, alright, bet. So then I was like, give me a hug. After that, after lunch all the time, I used to walk him to class. So I was late.
Walk you to class.
So I was late to class like every day. So then one day we stayed after. No, I skipped something. I asked him, can you be my best friend? No, I said, can you take a picture with me? We took a picture. Well, when I took a picture with him, that's the day we started texting. He was the first dude I showed my toes. Don't lie, like for real. This was the first dude I showed my toes.
They was ugly.
But he after that we just started texting. So January 11th when we started being best friends.
No.
Throughout we started
because you didn't ask me to be my best friend until January 20th. All right then.
So then after that,
January 23rd came. And we both had subs in our class. Because my teacher was on maternity leave. So that day, we stayed after school till like, no, not after school. We stayed after class for like 15 minutes. It was nobody in the halls. So
we sitting on the desk.
Yeah, she's sitting on the desk. And I walk up to her. And I kissed her on her forehead. Then after that,
people kept walking past, so he was like, hold up. So we was acting like we was separated, like just talking. So then when people went back, when I had got up, And then he sat down. So I had walked up to him and I was like, give me a hug. So when I tried to give him a hug, I tried to kiss him and he tried to kiss me too. So then that's when we kissed.
Our first kiss.
Mm-hmm. So then after we kissed, it was just like, oh dang, I like him. Right?
Yeah.
We
But
liked each
I liked
other.
her way before that though.
Yeah, I liked him like since the first day of school. When I see you at the bus stop, I was like, dang. You taste good.
You taste nasty. It's like, I'm just playing. So then, I had a game one day. It was like January 29th. Then, I had a game, and...
PH versus Fleming.
No, it wasn't that one. I'm talking about that one.
The one before that.
No, the one after that. It was
His first game I ever went to, I didn't get to stay in the game because I didn't have no money, but when they was warming up, he had on the yellow suit. And I was watching him warm up. Then the next game after that Thursday, we played PH versus Fleming.
Oh, yeah.
And then that's the game I stayed the whole time.
Just want to interrupt to tell me that. Like, January 29th, I had a game. And this boy named Davon, y'all might know him, y'all might not. He was like, bro, you got to make it official. He was like, y'all like each other. It's time to make it official. He was like, can't nobody say she ugly because she not ugly. Then I was like, you know what? Should I really? He was like, yeah, go ahead and make it official. Then I was like, all right, I'm gonna just have to do it. So the next day, January 30th, it was a weekend. It was Saturday.
Yeah.
It was? Yeah, it was a Saturday. So I was like, best friend, guess what? I gotta tell you something. I gotta ask you something. And I was stalling for a little bit. Then I just asked her, I was like, will you go out with me? She said, yes. With the little,
I was happy, bro. You
with
do
the
not
little love
understand
effect.
how happy I was.
Then, ever since then, we gotten closer and closer. Bond gotten stronger and stronger.
But right before that, when we was at the library that day, that day, I was like, Jalen's my bae. And he would not say it back for nothing, bruh. You wanna know why? Because that girl was staring at us.
Oh.
Yeah.
It didn't have nothing to do with her, though.
What's the deal?
No, it didn't. Cause I never liked her.
But what you do with her then?
All right, but I never liked her, though. So where was we at?
About when you called him name.
Oh.
So I kept saying, throwing hints Jalen is my bae. And he didn't say nothing. He just looked at me like I was crazy. So, that's when we had went to the bathroom on the outside and we was just talking and stuff. And when we had walked out, everybody was like, where they going?
Mm-hmm.
So then my mama picked me up. So that night, we was on the phone.
For the first time.
Yeah.
Since we was best friends. Before we started dating, we had been on the phone all the time. We was best friends.
Yeah. So when we first started dating, we did not get on the phone yet. When we first started dating, we just had to keep it on the low.
On the low.
We kept it on the low for a long time.
But I knew.
All the way till Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day? Guess who texted me? When we was at the library. You was right
Oh,
there.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
One of my exes texted me and was like that he was like, I'm glad that you happy since I couldn't do that or whatever. So Jalen seen it and he got mad. Jalen was heated. So I was just texting him. I was like, thank you. After that, Jalen was like, block him. So ever since Valentine's Day, he been blocked.
On all social media. And then ever since then,
But then,
been straight.
somewhere in after that, the end of February, he had told my sister he missed me. And guess what? I did not care. Ever since then, a lot of people been saying, oh, Nari and Jalen think they all that. When we go to school, what we do?
school, work,
No.
and that's it.
When we in the hallway, we don't talk to nobody. Do we?
Nope.
We just stay to ourselves. But we just be chilling. Me and Jalen, we not worried about nobody. We been growing. We about to be his birthday on Wednesday. We going out of town together, and right after you come back, we gonna be
turn
2
2
months. But his birthday coming up. Our April, we was supposed to be April's Fools, but on Sunday we gonna be 2 months. That Monday, April's Fool's Day, our fits are going dumb. You not understand that, man. You know what's crazy, y'all? Me and Jalen was with each other for a whole week, like after school, during school, all of that. After that, we did not see each other. Like, this is the first time we seen each other in 3 days. So yeah, me and Jalen, we're growing, right? Communication, faith. All we gotta do for real is get through the rest of this school year.
And the summer gonna go by fast, so that's not nothing to worry about.
And he live on the street beside me, so we gonna see each other all the time.
Every day. I'm going over her house every day.
Period. Michaela coming too.
Period.
Definitely not.
But then when school starts back, we're gonna be 7 or 8 months. One of them.
Probably both of them.
We probably gonna be 7. We probably gonna be 7 months, about to be 8. Yeah. Watch when the fair come. Prank on Jalen coming soon. You already know.
I'm in it.
Nari game.
It's not happening, but I guess.
Yes, huh?
Okay.
You got the password and username, so.
It's definitely not about to get pranked though. Who's you getting smart with though?
You.
No, you not. So.
Jalen.
All right, that's the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Another video coming soon.
Yeah, real soon, ain't it?
Yep.
Another video coming Wednesday and Saturday, mixed together. Jalen's birthday vlog.
Stop.
And we about to be getting them 16 punches.
Nobody's touching me.
My boy 16.
Don't know how to act.